You got 62 points on and good.
Hmm?
Sorry, we keep on snowing. If I got you in, we can go from
What's that, nephew? Oh, he's coming to get me. Oh, no.
You sure?
Yeah. Go.
Flashing lights.
Flashy lights.
Right?
Oh, no. He's in it. He's in that field.
I'm going to heaven?
No.
It might be like that, but
I like going to hell.
I'm pretty sure you won't feel like it's going to heaven.
Uh-huh.
Oh, no. Damn.
Bye.
Mm.
Oh, no.
That's for sure.
Go to paradise.
Why you keep on thinking people going to this one? You know why? Because somebody else wants to use you. People take your ass off the car.
Oh, no.
You keep on dreaming about someone that can touch your ass going off the rehab. That's what your dream is about. You're scared, and that's what your dream is about.
Supposedly.
Yeah. No one's coming after you in that life. That's us getting recorded.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, so the world can see you snore. The way you
Look,
snore.
you did it.
Yeah, I'm put it on YouTube. Probably YouTube. Lady snoring.
Fuck you, dude.
Alright, cut it.